I found all these parts in my stash. I have a small wooden ball and a large wooden ball, and I'm painting them in my Wise Owl Snow Owl. I then found this gear. You can get these at the Dollar Tree in a package of different sizes, and I painted that in Snow Owl. And then I have these two craft sticks that I used chocolate on the same dabber. That's why it kind of looks a little milky. And then just add a dusting of the Snow Owl. I took black and painted this heart left over from Valentine's Day. I took this orange pipe cleaner and I twisted the end on a art brush and clipped off that little twist and am gluing it to my smaller ball. And I'm taking my Sharpie paintbrush tips and I'm creating eyes and a snowman's mouth. I'm going to take my little gear and glue it to the top of my large wooden ball, and then I'm going to add the smaller wooden ball. I'm using stick fast. I'm going to take my craft sticks and create an upside down V and take the heart and I'm going to glue it midway from the smaller part of my V and glue it down, and it's going to hold those two together. I have a toilet paper roll and I'm just going to take a sliver of that roll, make my circle a little smaller, and then I'm going to take this tan and white jute that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to make 8-inch long pieces and I'm going to fold it in half, slip it through my toilet paper ring here, and then just sift it through the top. And I'm going to do this all the way around. And then at the end, I'm going to take all this and tuck it inside out. And then I'm going to take another piece of the jute and tie the top closed and then trim back the top into a smaller pom-pom at the top of the hat. And just clean that up and make it a little smaller. Then I'm going to glue the hat to the top of my snowman's head. I'm going to take another gear and paint it in Snow Owl. And then glue it to the heart. And then glue my snowman to that gear. I took a cluster of my jute and tied it around his neck as a scarf. And then I took pieces of jute and tied the ends and then cut the ends short. I'm going to take a white pipe cleaner and glue it around the back of the neck, coming forward, shorten the arms, and bend back the hands. I took a really tiny gear. Again, you can get these gears in a package of different sizes and put it at the end of a toothpick. And then I'm going to paint the gear using a silver Sharpie. I just wanted to make it silver. And then I'm going to paint the toothpick black with a Sharpie. Or you can use the Sharpie paintbrush tips. I'm going to glue the ski poles into his hands, add some buttons, and then I found this wood slice and then this little log. You can get this in a package at the Dollar Tree. I painted them in Snow Owl, and then I'm going to glue my wood slice to that log, kind of making a slant, and then glue my snowman to the slice. And here we go. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper, transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com.